news broke this morning that the group of 5 conferences would like to have a playoff of their own. Do you think that would be a good thing for college football?
I think you ought to have the second weekend in December an absolutely prime opportunity for the group of 5 schools, the 2 best conference champions, to meet on that second Saturday. You know, it's December 9th, December 12th, whenever that may be. And whoever wins that game then earns the opportunity to go play in one of the New Year's 6 bowls. And I think you should absolutely do it. I think it'd be an unbelievable opportunity in terms of, exposure for the competitors that are involved. And I think more than anything else, it helps dispel a myth that's out there that you can only be a part of a Power 5 conference, that guys cannot play a certain number of football games. I think a lot of times that's an alibi, so you don't have to be more inclusive with the bigger picture of the college football playoff. So a play-in rather than a playoff.